The Bitcoin is following our previous analysis absolutely perfectly. Right now in this video I will be talking about what needs to happen next in order for Bitcoin to hit our medium time frame target at $93,000. And also I will be talking about the altcoin I have shared with you 3 weeks ago. Right now we are at 78% profit, and I will be talking about what it will take in order for us to hit that 500% profit mark. So make sure you are watching. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Samo from Crypto Paradise, and as you remember from the video 3 weeks ago, I have shared with you this cup and handle pattern. Our lower time frame target was 43% higher after a breakout, and as you can see right now we have even exceeded that lower time frame target and we are at almost 80% profit. Right now we are hitting our Fibonacci retracement resistance right here, and if we will not be able to reclaim it anytime soon on a daily time frame, we are about to have an ABC correction, probably down right here, to retest this previous resistance and turn it into a support afterwards. Because this is going to be just a technical correction, this coin is still fundamentally extremely strong. As you know, the TON token is a token of Telegram, absolutely amazing coin with multiple use cases, very new. As you know, they have launched this token in 2022, fastest blockchain on the internet. So as I have been explaining in the previous video, what it needs to happen in order for this token to hit this 500% profit mark is just a little bit of marketing from the founders of Telegram, and this coin will be the third biggest altcoin without any doubt. So we are extremely bullish on TON coin right here. If you have made a great profit, this is probably a great time to take some profits and wait again after we get some strength in terms of reclaiming this resistance on a daily time frame, then having some bullish confirmation pattern. Or right now, if this correction is going to really happen in ABC movement, we will be buying back again right here at this support zone. So from a short-term time frame, the probabilities are a little bit more bearish just from the technical spectrum, but the higher time frame perspective is still extremely bullish, and not only for TON token but also from other altcoins, other strong altcoins. We also expect huge returns. As you remember from my previous videos, this symmetrical triangle indeed had a beautiful breakout. Then I have been talking about this retest, and now we are continuing in our bull trend in this others index, which is basically a dominance of other altcoins. So this is excluding the top 10 cryptos. So this index others.d is really talking and showing you the percentage dominance of others altcoins. And as you can see, we are in a bull trend right now. We are creating higher highs and higher lows after breaking through this symmetrical triangle, which is a bullish triangle. We are above support right here, and as you remember from our previous videos, we do expect that this will continue in a medium time frame, definitely here to our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. And once this is reclaimed, this resistance, once it's reclaimed and we can turn it into support, we will continue even higher. And this bullish price action is absolutely perfect for everybody with just a little bit of skills. For example, with ParadiseTeam VIPs, we are making some crazy gains on daily basis. So if you know what you are doing in this crypto market, wow, this is just a golden mine for you. But enough of altcoins, let's take a look back at Bitcoin, because this is what probably interests most of you. Right now we are on a daily time frame. That means that each candle represents one daily trading activity. As you can see, we have absolutely perfectly bounced from our minor lower time frame support, and now we are trying to shift into a support, this 1.618 Fibonacci retracement, higher time frame psychological resistance. And you already know what is needed for continuation higher. As always, as we have done in the previous cycles, we need to break above the resistance, right, as we have done 3 times in the past already, and then have some zigzag reaccumulation above it that will turn this supply zone into a demand, and then we can continue higher in this impulsive move after a breakout, right? Every time it happened, and we need to do the same here as well. As I've been talking about in the previous videos, this resistance is extremely important, and that is why you can see that this zigzag movement is volatile. Okay, this is very volatile, and it is important that it is volatile like this. Right now, what's needed in terms of continuation, if we can close this daily candle above this red line, resistance line right here, that will be the first bullish sign. Afterwards, we need to go a little bit higher, then retest this resistance again, hold above it, that will turn it into a support, and then we can continue into a breakout pattern, which if we get enough volume right here will be successful, and the next target, lower time frame target, will be $77,000, and once we can reclaim this resistance we will be targeting $93,000. But if you are trading crypto like a professional, you really need to go step by step, right? So risk management, money management, portfolio management is extremely important right here. If you don't have a strategy, then your strategy is to fail. And believe me, only the most disciplined and patient traders will be making a huge amount of money from this breakout if it happens, because it will be volatile, guys. It will be very volatile, and if you don't have the skills of how to really maneuver in this crypto market with your trading, you will lose money. So what we are focusing in ParadiseTeam VIP is safe trading with a strategy, proper risk to reward signals. We always keep the probabilities on our side, and that is why we can stay profitable long term. Let's take a look on 4-hour time frame. Bitcoin right here, you can see, is creating a megaphone pattern, very textbook example. Let me show you how we have it on our blog. Because it came from an uptrend, this is a bullish megaphone pattern. It can also be bearish if it comes from a bear trend, but right now this is the example what we are looking at. Megaphone pattern is basically a continuation pattern, so if it comes from an uptrend, we then have some zigzag reaccumulation in 5 waves, and then with a higher probability we will break out higher. Right now, let's calculate what we have in terms of the waves in real price action. We started right here from the uptrend. This was our first wave, which ended at around $69,000. Then we had the correction, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and now we are about to create a 5th wave, which, as you can see right here, usually ends up in a breakout and continuation higher. What was extremely important is that this 4th wave will hold above this descending trend line, and that's exactly what happened right here. We have held absolutely beautifully. This is our minor lower time frame support zone, which you have already seen on the chart before. So this bullish megaphone pattern is playing out absolutely beautifully. But let's take a look at the lower time frame price action. So if I zoom in a little bit, what we can see is A, B, C movements to the upside, right? So we are in a C wave right now. As you know, impulsive moves to the upside always happen within 5 waves, A, B, C, D, E, right? This is a C wave right now, which is usually the longest one. However, we are facing some resistances right here. We will very soon hit this 1.618 Fibonacci retracement lower time from resistance at around $72,000. So we might actually go a little bit higher, and then with a higher probability, because there will be also this previous local high resistance, we might have a D wave correction, which will probably retest this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement zone right here, and then we will continue higher. As an E wave, then we will have some kind of ABC correction. We will flip this previous local high into a support, and then I believe we will continue higher, and potentially on the 5th wave we will break out from this bullish megaphone pattern, and we will hit our higher time frame target at $240,000, ladies and gentlemen. However, first, before that, I do expect that the $93,000 will be hit, which perfectly confluence with this ascending trend line of our bullish megaphone pattern. So yeah, I do expect that we will end up somewhere here, and that will trigger a medium time frame correction from this level right here. Medium time frame correction we will be talking about once we are at this level, but I don't think it's gonna be something crazy, but most likely revisit this level right here and then we will continue in our bull trend. So this is the medium time frame perspective, but let's take a look at some inside information that can help us to determine the lower time frame price action. So right now we are looking at trading activity on Coinbase. We can really see that here at our resistance, which I have shared with you on the chart, we have some limit sell orders, huge sell orders on Coinbase right at our $72,000 mark. We can see the difference right here between the bid and asks, and we can see that the big boys are actually having loads of limit sell orders at the current levels. Loads of sell limit orders are also getting filled. You can see that the volume right here is in a descending line, so the proper real hard volume is decreasing, which is short-term time frame a little bit bearish. And what gives power actually to this bullish price action on Coinbase is market buying. And as you know, the market buying and market selling is most of the time made by retail people, because if some big amount of money would do market buys, it would just move the market a lot, right? So they are often doing the limit ask, limit bids. However, you can see that previously they have been selling on a short-term time frame right here at the bottom, and now when we are at the local top near the lower time frame resistance, they are market buying in fear of missing out. Let's take a switch and have a look at Binance futures. You can see loads of limit sell orders above us, like there is crazy big sell wall, and also the biggest one is at around $72,000. The open interest is increasing on this move to the upside. However, it's nothing crazy. Let's take a look at Binance spot price action. We can also see, same as we have seen in Coinbase, there is loads of sell limit orders. However, market buying, which is driving this little price action to the upside. We can also see the buying volume is decreasing, and also there is some sell limit orders between $72,000 on Bitcoin. So this all tell us that there will probably be some lower time frame correction, nothing to worry about. But let's take a look at Bitcoin CME futures gap. You can see that there is a futures gap from the weekend. So most likely, if the correction will come, we will be revisiting this low right here, closing the gap, and then continue higher. And this will be absolutely still bullish, because we will just create another high low together with higher highs. We are in a bull trend, so nothing to worry about from a medium time frame perspective. Just you need to be sure that you are managing your trades properly. Let's take a swiftly look at funding rates. Nothing too crazy. We can see loads of positive numbers. However, we are in a bull trend, so the funding rates are nothing too crazy. But again, there might be the spikes lower, there might be a little correction, and this will make the funding rates even better. The Bitcoin sentiment is going a little bit bullish against the trend of Bitcoin, which most likely starts the lower time frame correction, because it often happens like that. But again, from a medium time frame, nothing to worry about. And as you can see, we have loads of liquidation levels below us. So if we drop back to fill the CME futures gap, we will have loads of liquidation levels, and that's what market makers want. So the idea is clear right now. From a medium time frame, we are absolutely bullish. However, we might have a little correction towards $64,000 on Bitcoin, but nothing to worry about. The $64,000 is here above our support zone, and even though if there will be the correction, we are still in a bull trend. And once we have this zigzag confirmation and we shift this resistance into a support, we will absolutely destroy the market once again and fly to the highs. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, subscribe. If you want to be informed from the Paradise team on daily basis, go to our website mycryptoparadise.com and join our free Telegram channels. And if you are ready to start trading like a pro, I will see you in Paradise Family VIP right after watching this video. Alright, thank you for watching and see you next time. Cheers.